Welcome back to this video series which walks you through the new KnowledgeSmart Skills Assessment Report template. In this video we will explore our filter pages and how you can set up unique filter queries to help you segment and filter the different report pages. So if we have a look at our navigation home menu here, we notice that our filter pages are in this royal blue color. So let's go ahead and control click the first one and we're taken over to the people filters page. Now the data fields on this page comes mostly from the user and background data that is part of the KnowledgeSmart export. So you'll notice the ability to filter or segment via account name, a specific full name, job title, maybe one of your unique 5 data fields, user status, and also user profile created day. So you can go ahead and select a unique combination and just notice what happened there. I'll just do that slower. If I select one of the filter options, I notice that all of the other options filter down with that. So that really helps me understand the data that I'm looking at. So I can also do it the other way around and I can say show me only the people in London, and then I notice that the full name column also filters down for me. So you can action one of these filters or a unique combination of them. It is also useful to look at this area here called sync slices, because this will show you where this filter will be active. So if you had to select London here, where would this filter be active in terms of the report pages? The other thing is the people filters page will also control the invite report pages. So you'll notice that number 4 is the people filter page, and straight after that you'll notice invite history and user invite dashboard. And that is then followed by our assessment filter page. The reason for that, of course, is that many of the data fields in our assessment filters would be linked to an actual assessment session, so a result ID, and therefore it is relevant to have that after the invite has been issued. So I hope that all makes sense. If we then go to assessment filters, we notice that slightly different data fields are shown here. I can filter to account name, to a specific test name, by a specific test date. I can isolate results for a specific training tag or a group of training tags. I can look at a specific module name or a specific question name, and also filter to a specific dynamic group that I might have set up in my admin dashboard. So if I go ahead and just hold Control down, I can multi-select these training tags or any other options on this report page. And if I then want to reset, I can use this reset button here via control click. And that, as you can see, takes it back to its default state. So the last thing I want to say about the filter pages is we did want to make it easy for you to understand which filters can be used on which pages. And you will be able to use the filter pages and also have some on-screen filter options on some of the report pages. The reason for that is just some people prefer to have it on the page. And then don't forget about your filters panel, which is here. And sometimes it's useful to drag additional data fields in here that you might not see on the screen. If we go ahead and just select maybe one of these BIM 360 modules for now, and then just head over to the next page, which is called Results Overview, I just want you to see this area here. If I hover over to this filter icon on the top right of the visualization, I can see which filters are now active on this visual. So I can see that module name that I've just selected is active, and I can see that these result IDs are linked to that specific module. So you might have to go back and forth between the filter pages and the relevant report pages, and always just remember to look at that filter icon to see exactly which filters are being applied. If you do get a bit muddled up, it's always a good idea just to hit reset and start again with a unique filter query or applying filters again. In our next video, we will quickly take a look at invite history and our user invite dashboard. So see you in there.